Hi, in this video, we will see how you can remove background of an image online for free. Let's say you have an image like this and you want to remove its background. So to remove the background image, just click the link below this video and it will take you to this site. This is the site which will help us to remove the background image. Drag and drop the image you want to remove its background, and the background will be removed. Now to download this image, click download and the image will be downloaded to your computer. Now if you open it, you can see that the background has been removed. Okay guys, this is how you can remove background of an image online.